Alright, y'all, so we back in. My bad about the last video. I guess I went out of the camera too quickly, and then now we're back to square one, just recording it. But you already seen the recording of the phone already, or the unboxing, so you already get the idea. And all the information's all set up, so let's breeze through the OS. Alright, just to get into the phone. Okay, here's your home screen. Alright, so you could swipe up, put in your pattern or pin. Let me just put in my pin real quick. There we go. So, and of course you got, let's go through the main settings that you need to know. Alright, so you got all your usual toggles here. You got Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth. Okay, let me do this real quick. I'll get to this later. Alright, so let's go through the main toggles again. Excuse me. Alright, so you got your Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, which I have on, of course. Flashlight, airplane mode, mobile hotspot, because you can use this as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Power saving, you got secure folder, thought activity. Smart view, mobile data. Turn up the brightness on this phone. And you got do not disturb, your sync, and then Dolby Atmos. Now, I'm impressed with this. On a budget phone, hell yeah. But one thing I wanted to mention real quick too, while I'm here. This is not like a Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10 5G, or Galaxy Fold, or Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus. So get that off your mind. What you're getting for 40 bucks is a premium budget phone like this one. But looks lit though, dude. Now let's go to the main settings real quick. Alright. Okay. So you got your connections, data usage, all this good shit right here. And you got sounds and vibrations. Let's see how loud this one is. Okay. Okay, let's do this again, y'all. And then you got your side speaker right here. No bottom firing speaker. That's what I like to see. Loud, and you can still hear it. There you go. And then system. And then media. This is pretty loud because it's got that Dolby Atmos. Shit. I'm impressed right now. Alright. Of course, you got your notification sounds. You got vibration. Do what you do. And of course, your charging sound. So this means is, like, go to the home screen real quick. If it's off the charger, guarantee, yeah, you could get that little animation on the bottom. Alright, let's go back to settings. Next. Okay. Got it. Alright, so that's all I need to check out in sounds and vibrations. You got wallpapers and themes. Do what you do. Allow. Yes, add. Okay. Got a lot of apps I need to update, but it is what it is, and I'm using my Wi-Fi hotspot on my phone. Okay. Alright. So you got wallpapers and themes, advanced features for games, one-handed mode, quick launch camera. So this means you could press this to get to your camera, which we'll be checking out here in a second. I'll be doing an update video on this phone too. I'll do like a real review. Yeah, keep on. Okay. Okay. And let's go back to settings. Direct call is on. Smart alert. Easy mute. Swipe to call or send messages. Excuse me. I got tongue tied right there. Anyways. Alright, dual messenger. So you could have two accounts. Do what you do. Alright. Direct share. And you got these features on the bottom. Device maintenance. So my device is running up to date since I don't have any apps on this yet. I probably will later. So lock screen, of course, we went through this already. Security. Fine. There you go. All your settings on deck. Do what you do. Google. And accessibility. Now if you're hearing or visually impaired, you can still rock out. All your settings on deck here. General management, excuse me. And you got date and time, language on general management. All that good stuff. Alright, software update. Let's see if we got an update real quick. Alright, it's up to date. Okay. Now let's go to YouTube real quick and see how loud these speakers are. Not now. What I usually like to do is activate the dark theme. But okay. There we go. General. Okay. Up. Alright, let me pause the video real quick and we'll check out this video. Stand by. Alright, my bad, y'all. I guess my phone's a little slow because it's running off the Wi-Fi hotspot. It is what it is. So let's check out the design one more time. But let's take this off the cord real quick. I got the Zizzle Bolt Series case for the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit, M Prime 3, or any of the J3 lineup. This one's going to run you $10 on Amazon right now. Normally it would go for $19 like my LG Style 5 one did. It is what it is. Alright, let's unbox this. Alright, I have it up out of the package. I guess I'm about to use the knife. Okay. Rah. Okay. Okay. Zizzle Bolt Series case. And of course, you got your tempered glass screen protector that always comes with it. Let's see the quality on this real quick. This is your tempered glass. Okay. And then here's the case itself, which we'll be placing in right now. Let me get my rag for dramatic effect real quick. Okay. So this is how it's going to look on your device. Yeah, plastic's trolling. But you get the idea, though. I'm trying to do this quick, y'all. Alright, let me pause the video one more time, excuse me. Alright, y'all, so we back in, so here's what it's going to look. Alright. I forgot to mention this on the video, on the last video. You got your volume up and down rockers, of course. They're nice and separate. And then you got your power button nice and responsive too, even with the case on. So this is the design of the case. The black, I had this one on my LG Style 4. These cases are worth every penny. These will last you the life of your phone. And of course, I forgot to mention, it comes with your belt clip with it. So you can easily rock out like this. And of course, you got your carabiner clip or lanyard. Just put it on your neck. You're going to look like a douche, but it is what it is. I know I said that in the last video. Yeah, it is what it is. But of course, yeah. Alright, let's wrap this up. Alright, so overall, I'm giving this phone a definite major go. This is easily the best budget phone to have. If you want to go bigger, then go with the J7, Crown, Star. You can find those at Walmart too. But, alright. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what you guys think about this one. And I'll do an updated video on how the battery is, how the camera is. That's all coming up this week too. Alright, let's wrap this up. On that note, guys, you guys have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. And one more thing I forgot to mention this week, since I have a video camera to use now, I'll be doing the update video on the LG Stylo 5, like the Zizzo Bolt Series case. That's all coming up this week. Stay tuned. I'm out.